Here is how to get from Silvermoon City all the way to Orgrimmar in World of Warcraft of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK. So as I said, I'm located right now in Silvermoon City, right here in the north, and you will have to get to Sun Fury Spire, and I will get back to you once I will get inside that building. Alright, here is the entrance, so get inside right here. And I will show you and I will explain to you all the steps. So here we can locate a portal which will take us straight to Undercity, and after we get to Undercity there we'll have to take a Zeppelin. We don't have a portal directly to Orgrimmar from Silvermoon City, but this is the shortest route. So once you get here you will find this orb, right click on it. Okay, and you'll be teleported in Undercity. Let me get my mount, and we have to get out of Undercity. Okay, so there is the orb from which took me to Undercity. Now get out of the Undercity with this entrance, and we are located right here in Treesfall Glades. Okay, now here you'll find two towers. You will have to get to the second tower, to this exact dock, because this is the Zeppelin that will take us to Durotar, to Orgrimmar. So let me get inside it. Okay, and just the moment I got here up, the Zeppelin arrived. You'll find here this what is this? This goblin. You saw that it yelled that the Zeppelin to Orgrimmar just arrived. You can also speak with him, and he will tell you that this Zeppelin will take you to Orgrimmar, right? So remember to take that Zeppelin from that dock which I told you. And we just arrived in Durotar with this Zeppelin. We can locate the Orgrimmar right there, and this is the location on the map. With this Zeppelin you will arrive at this tower from here, and from here you'll just have to walk a little bit. There is the entrance of Orgrimmar. So that was the tutorial how to get from Silvermoon City all the way to Orgrimmar in Durotar in World of Warcraft of the Lich King, also known as WoW WoTLK. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Leave your thoughts down in the comments so we can help more people with the algorithm. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye bye.